Hello everyone, welcome back, If you're new here, welcome in. If you're a returner, welcome back. Um, Welcome back to Obsessive Crochet Lady. I'm Amanda. So, in today's video, I will be opening my Happy Mail / winnings. You know, you know. Um, So, Charmed Granny, Lynette, amazing. Um, she had a giveaway. Sorry, I was looking out the window. There was a creepy person that walked past. I wanted to get some good lighting in, so I opened my curtains, um, which is rare because, like I said, creepy people. Anyways, you're not here to hear all that. So, Charmed Granny Lynette. Hi. Um, she had a giveaway. She did some, what are those called? I'm losing my brain this morning. She did, she worked with Hobbii. Hobbii, whatever you want to call them. Hobbii. She worked with them on a few projects, and they had sent her the yarn, and she had yarn left over, so she ended up doing a giveaway. Now, I have already opened this bag because I was heading out to a friend's house, and I'm like a child. I can't wait to open things. So, I already opened it, but I still wanted to do a video. Of course, because I gotta shout out my amazing friend Lynette from Charmed Granny Crochet. If you haven't checked her out, check her out. I know some of you came over to my channel from her channel, but if you have not already checked her out, go check her out. If you like her, go ahead and subscribe and, become one of her family members. So, anyways, you guys ready to see the goodies? I love it. I'm so excited. I can't wait to use them. Okay. Now I'm going to show you the winnings first because, of course, she sent extras, which was so not necessary, but amazing. So, my favorite one, because you'll see in a minute why, but this one's my favorite. Now, the colors are probably going to be off because I use my computer and it's rubbish, but I love my computer. It's just the camera's kind of meh. But anyways, that's not doing too bad. It's reds and pinks, and of course it's sparkly. It is a chain spun yarn. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but let's see if I can get you to see that. You can kind of see it. It is a chain spun yarn. It is Pantatone by Hobbii, or Hobbii, however you call it. And it is, made in Italy, produced for Hobbii in Copenhagen, Denmark. Let's see, I'm trying to get it's a lightweight 50-gram ball, or 1.75 ounces, 120 meters or 131 yards, 4 millimeter to 5 millimeter knitting needles, 5 millimeter crochet hook. Let's see. It's 87 cotton, 7% polyamide, and 6% metallic fiber. I think it's hand wash, do not dry. I'm not sure of the other signs. This is it here. And there's the stats. There we go. So I have this one, full ball. So pretty. It's so pretty. And then I have this one. So it's 2. And then I'd say about a quarter skein left. Somewhere around there. I'd have to weigh it. Excuse me. But they are all the same. I did say it was a lightweight 3. Yeah. It's a lightweight 3. I'm excited. I'm not sure what I'm going to use them for yet. But it's funny, when she showed that she was working on these, I was like, oh, that is so beautiful. As it is gorgeous yarn. Of course, you know, if you're one of my returners, you already know Amanda loves pink. I absolutely love pink. Pink's my favorite color. And I know I'm not even wearing pink today. But I do love pink. Pink is amazing. Pretty much any kind of pink. I mean, I am not a color hater. I love color. Rainbow is my favorite. Of course, if I can get a rainbow cake, that's amazing. But pink. I love pink. Me and Sam from Mamphas Makes, I will also link her below. Hey Sam. She also loves pink and rainbows. Look at there. And we both love sparkle, so look at there. It's got sparkle in it. Look, Sam. Ha. But anyways, I wasn't saying haha like, woo, it's mine, you know. I was just saying haha, it's cool. Anyways, so that's the first yarn. And then the second yarn was this. It's also, like I said, from Hobbii. It is Glitter Delight. Color number 7. What? That's what I was looking for. Didn't know if this had a color. This didn't even have a color number on it that I seen. Huh. Oh, it is. Color number 5 is this one. But this is color number 7. And like I said, it's called Glitter Delight. Now, if you've had like Arabella yarn from Hobby Lobby, it's similar. It's wrapped with a golden glitter thread. See that? Oh yeah, you can see it there. So pretty. It's blue and white. I get the stats of this for you. It is 50 acrylic, 49 cotton, 1 polyester, which is the thing wrapped around it. It's a 5 bulky. Oh, it's got a little bit of teal in there too. Oh, that's pretty. I don't know if you can see the teal in there. So here's the teal, here's the blue. That's really pretty. I didn't notice that until now. Awesome. I'm so excited. It's also produced for Hobbii in Denmark. Let's see. 7mm crochet hook or 6mm knitting needles. So I have, trying to get it back in there. 1. Whoops. too. And a little. Now, if you want to go see, or if you want to see what was made out of these, like I said, go ahead and check out Charmed Grammy Crochet. I said I will link her below. Yeah, I'll link her below. And you can see what she made out of them. I think they were awesome and beautiful and gorgeous. So amazing. Like, she is such a great crocheter. You know, one of the things is she had to come up with a pattern, which was beautiful. I will have to, you know, do that pattern. But, you know, got a few things going on at the moment, but it's all good. Anyways, that's not all, but give me 1 minute. I will be right back. Sorry about that. I had one of those little pizzas in the oven, so I didn't want it to burn, but I'm back for more Happy Meal opening, because there was more. There was more. Okay. And then there was three of these guys. Get the right color. There we go. That's a good color for you. It's like a bluish, silverish gray, like a tanny cream color. These are Dream Weaver. I'm trying to see where from. Not sure where these come from. All I see is it says it's distributed by MGI in Cleveland, Ohio. Each skein is 3.5 ounces. They're acrylic. They are machine wash, warm, gentle cycle, tumble dry, do not over dry, do not iron, do not bleach. Professionally dry clean for best results. In fringe, hand wash, lay flat to dry. But that is all the information on those. It is a roving yarn. I can tell that just, you know, because I've been crocheting for a while. I don't think it has anything on the ball band on the inside. No, it has nothing on the inside. But I have 3 of those. Yay! They're actually really, really pretty. Not sure what to make with them yet, but you know, they will go in the stash for now. Same with the other 2 yarns. They will go in the stash for now. Because I have a few plans already going and working, so. Oh, there's the other ball band. Yeah. This is like literally all it says. So, there's that. Which is amazing. Thank you. You did not have to add anything extra, but I really do appreciate it. Yay. I'm a dork. If you guys haven't already noticed that. I am a dork. Anyways, I also have from her is this. So like I grabbed the package off the front porch. And I was like, okay, Lynette, this is more than just yarn. So when I opened it, I seen this and I was like, ooh, yay. So I need to put this in my yarn room. If you guys are new here, I do have a yarn room. It's just the chair is so uncomfortable in there. I started doing all my videos out here. So that's why you don't see yarn behind me, because, well, it's all, well, most of it's in there. I do have some over here in a little bookshelf. Words, Amanda? Words? I do have some on a bookshelf over here. But, yeah. Well, this mic can go over there. Maybe so we can have it in the videos. Who knows? I will put it somewhere. But thank you. I love it. And it is from Hobby Lobby. So, it says let's roll. And these, the hot pink and the teal are beautiful together. I actually have a nautical star tattoo on my back on this side. That is this teal and this pink. So, can you tell what are my two favorite colors, really? Pink and teal. I mean, I have pink, teal, purple, yellow, you know, all that fun stuff. So I do, but I have branched out, like I said. I mean, I've always loved rainbows, but, you know, I used to just love pink and teal. Like, I wanted everything pink and teal. But anyways, so I love the colors. But that's not all. It's the bag that never ends. And yeah, I keep looking at myself, not the camera, but it's okay. It's okay. Okay. So I guess I should show you guys the card. I kind of forgot there was one because, you know, brain ain't functioning. Sorry, Lynette. There's the card. And then it just says congratulations. And that she added a little extra. And then she says happy hooking, my friend. Love ya, Lynette. And then she signed it CGC, which is Charm, Grammy Crochet. So, I mean, there's a little extra on there, but a little personal. Not personal, but you know. I like to keep a little bit secret. It came in a green. Oh, that's just my address, so. That was just my address, so if you've seen it, whatever. I thought these were so cool. These are handmade crocheted beads. So they're little beads, but they're crocheted. So they're really light. I might just make stitch markers out of them. Because, you know, they're just little blue balls. You see the hole in the top. Yeah, so they're crochet beads, which is really cool. Not sure where she got these, but these are really cool. I like them. So thank you for those. And then these awesome tags. One says dry flat, leg garment on flat surface. One says hand wash only. And then one says crafted with love by, and then a place for you to write your name. There we go. Hopefully you can see those. A little bit of a shadow. I do apologize. So there's those, which are awesome. I'm excited to use those. I saw this and I was like, ooh, I am definitely going to make this into a zipper pull for one of my bags. Of course, it's pink. It's like a peachy pink, and it's got like a bead on top, which is really, really pretty. And then it's got, looks like feathers, but it's not. It's just fabric. I'm definitely going to use that as a zipper pull. I'm so excited. It's like amazing. So pretty. When I saw this, I was like so happy. I do enjoy vintagey type things. I have a lot of likes. A lot. My likes change and, you know, whatever. But I like a lot of stuff. But look how pretty this is. Is that not beautiful? I absolutely Love it. I'm going to put it on one of my crochet bags. There's the back. Probably one that has flowers on it. So I have one right there that has roses on it. Which actually, I'm going to do that now. This is the bag. I ordered this last year, I think, as a birthday gift to myself. But I just don't have the information on who made it. I do apologize. All I know is I got it off Etsy. But this is one of the older style ones. Here we go. So this. Oh, come on, you stinker. I do this. Oh, come on. Fingers are not cooperating today. So it is now on there. Ta-da! Look how that. It was perfect. Right there. So, and then I also got, which is awesome, I'm going to put it with my llama bag. It says the Yarn Life. It is a hot air balloon with a llama. He's like, ooh. He is also one of these. So he will be going on my llama bag. I also got the Notions pouch, which is awesome because I have the big bag over there on my wall, which is awesome. So excited. So now I have a Notions pouch to go in my bag. Excited. Last but not least, which I thought was so cute. I'm gonna have to find a picture to put on this. It is this little dude. Oh, come on. He doesn't want to come out of the bubble wrap. Ta-da! Little llama. Look at him, and he's so cute. He's adorable. Look at that face. He's like a chill llama. And then you put a picture on top. So I will have to find the perfect spot for him. And the perfect picture as well. So that is it. I know that was a lot. And I haven't done a video this long in forever. So woohoo. But yeah, thank you once again, Lynette, for having the giveaway and giving me a chance to win this amazing stuff. Like, so excited. So yeah, thank you for having the giveaway. Thank you, Hobie, for giving her the yarn and letting her, do that. Yeah. So thank you. I really, really appreciate it. I'm in so much shock because I wasn't expecting the extras, so I was like, excited, and very, very, feel very blessed that you added extras, which, like I said, you did not have to do, but it is greatly appreciated. Yeah. So, like I said, if you have not gone and checked out Lynette, I will link her below. I will also, like I said, link Sam below from Manfa's Makes. So I did mention her. And I will probably hashtag Hobby or Hobie. Sorry if I butchered it. Not sure how they pronounce it. Even though I do watch Hobby Bingo. I think they say it there. So, I don't know. Sorry. I leaned it up against the couch and then it fell. Put it in the box. Because I have a box over here. So yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah. That's it. My brain is not functioning today. Non-functioning. Just poof. Anything I want to say, it's like right there, and then it goes, haha, never mind, poof. So, but anyways, thank you. I really do appreciate it. I appreciate you all coming over. But yeah, I will talk to you guys later. I hope you guys have the most wonderful day and weekend, because it is Saturday. So, love you all. I will talk to you later. Bye, guys.